Hey, Superstar.
Yes.
What's it gonna do this time if you don't have a gear problem?
Hey, is that jacket GM Corporate Blue?
Yes. It's a Ford Blue.
What's it gonna run this time?
It's going to run a 40 something.
See, 40. You heard it here first.
Yeah. And if I get all the gears, which I will.
See, he's on a mission.
I'm on a mission. And it's not Blues Brothers style either.
No, because he doesn't have sunglasses.
I don't have cop car suspension.
All right.
All
Say
right.
bye.
All right, we'll see you guys in a few minutes. Got all the gears.
Man, I tell you what.
I ran slow, but I got all the gears.
You're my hero.
Yeah.
Time out.
Let's get rad.
Nope. That, I don't think that one does. Now, his blue and silver car does.
How does he fucking sit in one spot like that?
Puts his foot on the brake. That's how we do it.
I fucking tried and it fucking kills the motor. How do you fucking...
You just have to turn it up a little bit. That's starting out in second gear, too.
I know, that's how I do my burnout. And I tried to just barely feather the brake and it almost killed the motor.
You have rear disc brakes?
No, they're drums.
Really?
Every time when he's in
victories where I can get them. All right, we'll see you guys when we do the blah, blah, blah. We're out. Oh, well, we're going to Whataburger, but you'll see me when we do the blah, blah, blah. All right, we're out. All right, hey guys, what's going on? We are out here for the blah, blah, blah from where we took SuperSecret to the track with our MSD cap, rotor, coil, plug wires. As you know from watching the video, that didn't make any difference in how our car ran. We still had the problem where on the gear changes, so you know, we're still trying to figure out what's going on with that. We'll look at it some more and try and do some other stuff with it, but in all honesty, the main goal of that trip to the track was to just not miss any gears. I had not taken that car to the track and not missed at least one gear. And the last time I had it up there, you guys saw I missed a bunch. Basically, I think I had 3 passes where I didn't miss any, and I had 3 passes where I missed gears, which is absolutely terrible. So the whole goal was to just go up there, not miss any gears, and kind of get our confidence back, at least in that particular car. We accomplished that goal. We made 5 passes. We didn't miss any gears. And while the ETs weren't anything stellar, we were still somewhat pleased. Also, you saw that Michael Pirate had his AOD Coupe up there and ran a couple of high 720s, mid to high 720s, and like a 30 and a 32. So he was fairly happy with that. And Jonathan had his 89 LX up there, Mission 7. The reason we call it that, because he's trying to get in the 7s, and for whatever reason that car does not want to go in the 7s. So he had changed, for this particular track trip, he had changed the gears to a 456. And still haven't got it in. This thing's killing us. Killing him. But anyway, let's get to the numbers real quick, and we will get back here to finish this up and be all good. All right, first pass, decent 60 foot, 40. Yeah, you know, is what it is. We hot lapped it and came right back around and ended up with this, which was nothing to get excited about at all. Then the very next pass, we ran Ted in his 65, 66 fastback, and he sprayed us down, and we got whooped pretty hard. Then we let it rest for a second and gave it a shot, another shot. This was our best pass of the night. Decent 60 foot, decent mile an hour. It's okay at 39, but still off, not where we need to be. And then we brought it back around again after we let it rest for a few minutes, and we ended up with that, which was, you know, nothing exciting. So really, all in all, it was not great ETs, but we didn't miss any gears, and that was our whole goal, and we drove home under our own power. So the food at Whataburger was pretty good, though. Anyway, we'll see you guys later and get back to the wrapping up the blah, blah, blah. Pow! Movie magic, we're back. So, really not much to say. I mean, the car was fairly consistent. We still had a few little issues here and there. So, again, we didn't miss any gears, and honestly, that was just the main goal, to try and get up there and not miss any gears. So, I guess that's about it. This was kind of a short and sweet one. And again, these videos come in and out of order. I don't know when this will go up or what I'll have run at the track with what cars and all this rigmarole. So we'll be getting the SuperSecret back up there to track again sometime, hopefully soon. We got some other stuff going on with other cars, and we'll get it up there, and hopefully we're going to get this thing figured out before it's all over with. But anyway, let's wrap this up. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching, and especially, as always, thanks for commenting, because we appreciate it. And I guess we'll see you guys in the next video, which, as I always say, will hopefully be, not always say, but hopefully it'll be better than this one, but it probably won't. So anyway, see you guys later. Take care.